NASDAQ 100 and Dow Jones traded with a slight bearish bias today. We can see US100 eroding the gains, and now it has come to 14,330 levels, and likewise with US30 it has seen 32,900. Now what to expect with the US session from NASDAQ 100 and Dow Jones? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. It is going to be a volatile day when first the interest rate decision from Fed and later the Chairman Powell's speech definitely gonna bring the volatility into the markets. Thus, you need to trade with caution and a trailing stop loss. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. This is the second update. Those who watched the first update definitely would have profited. With that, let's start. First Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Watch till. See, US30, US100 has come to the support zone between 14,360, 330. If you recall these levels I had mentioned yesterday again and today again, I am repeating those same levels. 14,360, 330 is the good support zone. Staying below 14,330 is further bearishness, which may take the prices towards 300 and 280 levels, the first support zone, then 250, 240, 260, 240, the next support zone. Only and only if you see the prices staying below 240, further bearishness may prevail. Else, the possibility of a rise cannot be denied. See, on the upside, 360, which was the resistance, now it is going, which was the support, now is going to be the resistance on the upside. Yes, if you see the price is staying above 14,360, you can buy, but then also we have noted that double top levels are seen, and hence 400, 420 is the maximum resistance on the upside. The stochastic oversold, MACD has crossed over here, trading with an open mouth. It is trying to drop further. RSI looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 2-hour chart. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, if you note, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Support here at 300 levels, 320 levels, very strong. Now the prices are moving below the 20-50 period moving average. Also the candle size, this is the second bearish candle, and there is a probability of a third bearish candle. 14, 250, 260 anyways is the greatest support. So one can sell here at 14,320, expect 300, 280, 260, 240. So as long as 14, rather I will say as long as 14,200 is there, you have to trail with the 20 points trailing stop loss. Cannot avoid it, but yes, there is no other option. 20 points is also a good profit. Thus, capture a smaller profit and trade with caution. That is what I will recommend. Or else, keep shifting your stop losses manually. Stochastic looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. The MACD is trying to cross over for a sell, and this is coming after a good retracement. If it does, more bearishness may prevail. RSI looking downwards, coming to 3 hour. On the 3-hour chart, second bearish candle, and there is a probability that third bearish candle may appear. Thus, staying below 14,320 is where further bearishness. But remember, sorry, this is the 30 minutes chart. Look at the 3-hour charts here. On the 3-hour charts here, see, forming the wall, getting the resistance at 14,400. It has given a breakout. It has come to the support levels at the 20 period moving average, 14,330, 320 greater support zone. And the next candle, once it opens on the lower side, it can continue to trail here, because see, the first and second candle has a lot much of downward push. You can see this and this candle. So downward push suggests of bearishness, and closing here at bottom suggests that it can continue on the downside towards 14,280, 250 levels here. But also one must note, see, another observation here is after the drop, this is the retracement channel, and if it breaks below 14,200, treat this for a crash. I have mentioned this yesterday. I am mentioning this again, and I will keep on mentioning again and again. This is my duty to safeguard you from the possible drops which can happen. Today, the market's definitely gonna be volatile. You have to stay cautious here. Below 14, 240, 200 zone is where the bears will be taking over completely. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green, trying to converge here. This crossover may bring the bearishness in the coming few candles. RSI is looking downwards. Coming to 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see, this is the breakout candle, first bearish couple of consolidation, then first bearish candle here. There is a probability of second successive bearish candle. There is a probability for it to hit the bottom here, stays in the box. There is a stronger probability to it. Thus, staying below 14,320, one can initiate a selling position, but with a 20 points trailing stop loss. In fact, there is a gap which needs to be filled, and staying below 200 is where we are going to look forward to a drop there. If you look at the drop, the retracement, and this could be a signs of the further bearishness prevailing here. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over, it is still in the green side. RSI is also trying to signal bearishness. Coming to the day, Now, looking at daily charts, first of all, look at the previous three candles here. Slightly higher lows. This suggests 14 to 4260 as a greater support. It can hit the bottom and reverse from there. There could be larger swings today. As long as 14200 are respected, you can expect a reversal. Once it breaks below 14200, do not treat NASDAQ 100 as bullish. It can continue to crash. What has happened? The drop, the retracement, and a further drop. See, the same phenomena has happened here, but then it has retraced towards the 20 period moving average. Now, a retracement towards 20 period moving average means it can fly towards 580-600. Thus, once you see prices staying above 14400, one can initiate a buying position. Rather, I will say you can buy here at 14360 or 370 zone itself. Expect 14400, 430, as the first resistance zone. Staying beyond 14425, stay long for 14500, 14560, 580 zone. Yes, these levels may get achieved. Stochastic rising, MACD here is bearish and it can possibly converge crossover, but right now it is not showing any signs. See the waves here, and the crossover may bring bullishness. RSI is rising as well. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 14370, sell at 14320, below 14320. As long as 14200 is respected, trade with the 20 points trailing stop loss. Below 14200, it is 170, 140, 100, three major support levels. Below 100, complete crash can be expected. On the upside, we have to be watchful as long as 14400, 430 is respected. Beyond that, certainly you can say a reversal is seen, and we can look forward to 14500, 560, 80 levels as well. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at down. Now see, US30 on the hourly charts is just staying between 32,900 and 32,900 980 zone. Yes, it has been just showing the swings in between this zone, neither willing to break on the upside nor on the downside. If you look at 960, 980 was the support here, it has now become the resistance here. That is the first observation. Second, if you look at lower highs and higher lows are seen. Now, before we complete with the US30 here, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch is going to start on 20th of November. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can register by visiting my platform forexfunda.com. The platform is created with the vision to provide economic calendar market data, expert advice, as well as community for you all to learn from the fellow traders. Also, you can join my webinar here. This every Sunday we are going to conduct a webinar with the market forecast for the coming week, and this is going to be a live webinar where we are going to take your questions and analyzing the charts at the same time. All the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can also be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Now also look at the hourly chart. See, once it breaks out now below 32,920 levels here, more bearishness is going to prevail. But if you look at what has happened here, higher lows, higher highs, there could be a slight retracement on the upside, taking it above 32,980 levels, where we may see prices staying above 33,020, 33,050. Now remember, it is only above 33,050 where the reversal can be confirmed. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI staying flat. Coming to 2 hour charts, likewise on the 2 hour charts, lower highs, lower lows. I will wait for it to break out beyond 32,980 levels, and then 33,020, 33,050. Three milestones US30 needs to break past by. Beyond that, you can say that the prices have turned bullish. Else, also if you look at the drop there, the flag formation there, and a breakout above 33,050 should be taken up very, very seriously. It could fly above 33,050 levels towards 33,200. Stochastic at bottom, MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with little divergence and bearishness, only 3 candles apart. There is a further probability for it to continue on the downside, as you can look at first wave, second wave, and hence fewer red candles from here cannot be denied. RSI staying flat. Coming to 3 hour charts, if you look at 3 hour charts, the previous candle was a swing candle. and it has come after a couple of red candles here. This could be a slight reversal. I will observe how it behaves at 33.020050 zone. If it does stay above this, you can say that prices are reversing, else it is still trying to trade, or it may still trade bearish. What has happened here? The prices were too much divergent from the 20 period. It has converged here, taking the support from here, trying to rise, trying to reverse. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is trying to converge crossover for sell, RSI staying flat. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour chart, see couple of bearish candle, and see this was the first step. This is the second bearish candle here, and there is a probability that third bearish candle may appear, which may take the prices further down. How down? 32,870, 860 zone, good support. Below that we may see 32,800. Now 32,800 has become a milestone for US30 here. It has become a greater support zone. Thus, below 32,900, certainly bearishness may prevail. We can look forward to a further drop. If the prices stays below 32,800, remember, it is going to crash further. If you look at the formation here, see lower highs here, and it is almost parallel to this. Thus, it has to stay above 33,200, then only a confirmation of a reversal. If you are buying at 33,050, stay cautious for 33,100, 150, 200. Breaking beyond 200, close your eyes, stay long. We can look forward to another 100 points. But right now, it is staying bearish in this channel. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI is almost flat. Thus, looking at this, I will recommend you to sell at 32,920 levels. Expect 32,870, 800 as the next milestone. Below 800 is where further bearishness is going to prevail. As long as 800 is respected, chances of a reversal will be very high. Now look at daily charts. Now on the daily charts, look at the preceding candle, a swing candle between the 20 period moving average and 32,800. Yes, the 20 period moving average is close to 32,200 levels. It can possibly move towards 32,800, and that will be a very a good opportunity for us to stay long towards 32,200. And in fact, this time it can try to break beyond 32,200 as well. Stochastic rising, MACD is trying to converge crossover for buying entry, RSI is flat. Thus, as you see, you can sell at 920, but be careful. As long as 800 is respected, chances of reversal will be very high. And from those levels, you can expect a recovery towards 33,200. With the Fed and the Chairman Powell's speech, there could be a possibility of a rise. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. On the upside, be careful of 32,200. Beyond that, sky is the limit. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship by Signals channel, live webinar on Sunday, and free Telegram channel. All the offerings and services and links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.